Afternoon everyone, welcome back to another Black Country Homebrew video. Today we are going to be sampling the Dark Rock Brewing Nectaron Pale Ale that I brewed earlier on this month. So it's been conditioning now in the keg for 2 weeks. So I thought I'd record a video and we can try it together. So it's been sat in the glass probably about 2-3 minutes, so as you can see there is a head on it. It's carved pretty well. It's probably a little bit colder than I normally have a pale ale. It's been sat in the fridge cold crashing under pressure. I've had it set at about 12 psi now for 2 weeks. So as you can see, there is some condensation on the glass. On a whole it's fairly clear, maybe a little bit of haze to it still. But yeah, so the Nectaron hop, when I bought this, just reading it here, it says high levels of tropical fruit characteristics, pineapple, passion fruit, as well as stone fruit, peach and citrus, grapefruit. So I did have a quick sample of this about a week ago when it had only been in the keg, and it ticked all those boxes. So, but the conditioning time, according to the kit, says, I think it says 2 weeks, so I thought it was a good time to do the review now. So let's just give it a swirl on the nose. I mean, yeah, straight away. Tropical fruit, you can smell that pineapple, grapefruit, peach comes through at the end, I think. So yeah, it does exactly what it says on the tin. So cheers everyone. I mean, that's just cracking. It literally does exactly what it says on the box. You've got everything in there. It's really fruity. Not too malty. The hops are just beautiful. It's the first time from memory I've ever tried Nectaron hops, so I think that'll be one that'll be added in my brews going forward. Yeah, as I say, it's probably a little bit colder than I normally have it, but I've got a bit of a blocked nose, but it doesn't stop you from smelling everything that it says. So what an absolute cracking beer. I'd be up there and saying that's probably the best kit I've ever brewed. It was the first time using a keg for me. Normally I always bottle, so I don't know if that has made a difference. I don't know if you can see there is a little bit of sediment, tiniest little bit of sediment floating around. Obviously the keg's picked up from the bottom and it has been cold crashing, so I'd expect that on the first few pints. But yeah, absolutely spot on. Everything was so easy with the kit. You've seen the video. If you haven't, it's on my channel. I've been brewing it. It's dead simple to do. 1 tin, and then I used an enhancer. I think altogether it came to £23 maybe, for what, 40 pints. Works out nothing. An absolute cracking beer. I wouldn't be mad if I paid £4 or £5 for a pint of that in the boozer, to be honest. So yeah, well, I think that's a winner. If I've got any left in a month's time, I might do another video with regards to how it's tasting after conditioning for a little longer. But I don't expect this to stick around for very long, especially in the current climate. So I'm going to finish this glass off now. Might pour myself another one. Back at work tomorrow, so I don't want to have too many. But absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching. Cheers everyone.